fucking Raleigh and Blue Magic. After that, everything a dud, nigga. All you niggas that's racing, jump in your shit, drive your shit all day today, and come line that shit up. You niggas copping, man, nigga. You niggas trying to get Instagram. That's a thing outside for real, man. You niggas got cars that's for hoes, nigga. Ride around and park on the side and say, babe, my shit look good. You niggas ain't got no risk on, nigga. Fuck wrong with these niggas, man.
You got to tell your Wi-Fi.
Hey. I'm tired of these niggas tapping. I'm about to jump in my
The
shit.
difference between me and a nigga, I ain't out here faking like on my side. I know my shit need to be painted and did over. See, another nigga that driving his shit around psyching himself that bitch look good. But I got time today, though. Man, nigga need to park that ragged ass shit, man. That shit falling apart, nigga. Fuck out of here, nigga.
Them niggas won't come right now. Line that shit up. Niggas talking about I ain't come. Hey, Steve, where I was at all day yesterday? Be real, please.
Was outside.
But where I was, my car, I wasn't waiting for them niggas. I ain't passed by a big low shop.
You was on 135th.
Oh, man. I'm going to jump in my shit, and whoever want to get next to me, tell them get next to me. I'll stop what I'm doing. These sad-ass niggas, man. Everybody just be capping. Talking about my shit knocking. Hey, Steve, I just raced. My car's still running. I popped the hood to see if anything wrong, and my back came out checking shit. Came right back. Actually, let's do it again. He said later on. Now all of a sudden, the nigga say 10,000, and you trying to rate that little short ass shit again. Slow down. You trying to rate short ass shit? Come on, man. That nigga race lucky, gap lucky. He raced what's name, gap him. Ask him did he gap me, nigga. That shit spun out. Then came and caught his ass. He know it too. Ask him. And that little short ass time, man. Tighten up, my nigga. Put a dope behind. Put a dope right next to me and see what the fuck I do it to it, man. Fuck wrong with these niggas, man. These niggas sit here trying to get Instagram famous, man. That niggas jumping they shit, music, everything, nigga. Fuck wrong with them niggas, bro.
Nigga talking crazy, Cole. We gotta get that lick back, boy.
No, I'm finna go put bigger tires on my shit right now for the back. Them niggas talking like they really running. They ain't running nothing. Y'all niggas copying. That bad, these them pretty ass cars on the side, nigga. My shit pretty and my shit running. Ain't no don't. You niggas got big nuts. Right now y'all wanna what? G3. Why you ain't come get it yet?
Hey, you see what my dog just asked him? See what outstanding performance just said? Dude, that nigga want a rematch with him. You know, he beat that gray car you beat. I mean, that beat you.
A fucking rig. I'm racing a car that weighs 3,000 pounds to my 6,000 pounds.
Hey, Lynn say Adam. Lynn say Adam.
I'm trying to add him. I don't know what's wrong with that shit, man. These niggas be capping on me. These niggas be capping. Bring y'all fuck ass outside today and see what the fuck going on. Stop being scared. Nigga, I don't need no team. I ain't gotta go to Big Low and say, get my shit right, daddy. I gotta beat Cole. Cole gonna come out however he came out, nigga. Fuck wrong with you niggas. I ain't gotta change no spark plug, no nothing, nigga. I ain't gotta tool my shit. I don't need no team, nigga. I'm not every last one of you niggas, man. Bring that dog outside, nigga. Some niggas know what a nigga good. Them niggas know what a nigga car can do.
Pin that comment right there, Cole.
The first thing they say, Steve, you know what the first thing they say, Steve? Cole gotta drive. Let me put a driver in that bitch for y'all can see what my car can do. Scary ass niggas, man.
Hey.
You scary ass niggas.
Pin that comment right there from outstanding performance.
Niggas know what the fuck a nigga could do, man. Them niggas over here acting, man. Them niggas actors, man. And see, you letting them niggas act. You know them niggas acting. How you gonna let them niggas act?
You say how I let them act?
How you let them niggas act? Ain't no more commercials on Instagram, nigga. It's showtime. Get your bitch ass outside. What's wrong with these niggas, man? So you mean to tell me everybody in motherfucking death row car out of there? Hey, Tell Ash get his ass outside. Dollar want him. Tell Ash get his ass outside. Dollar want him right now. Him and Dollar. I bet he's scared when he gonna say his car ain't done. Nigga, all you need to tune your car is a screwdriver, nigga. No computers, nigga. Let's go.
Man, that slow ass shit, that shit ain't ready to race nothing. That shit ain't ready to race nothing, woo. That nigga got a dud, bro. That shit a dud, bro.
Turn this way. All these niggas talking about ain't nothing wrong with my motor, nigga. I ain't gotta listen, my motor, listen here, man. The man that built my motor, man, I ain't gotta blow my shit up and go back. He said when I get in that bitch, step on it. Bitch, I ain't even get no tune up yet, Steve. I'm giving these niggas down. These niggas scared, Steve.
Damn.
Hey, come bring that motherfucker down here to Memphis, man. Come down here to the big race.
These niggas scared. All you niggas talking about y'all got a big motor, come the fuck outside, nigga. Fuck wrong with you niggas, man.
I ain't gonna lie.
All this shit from death row, come outside, nigga. Stop being a bitch, man. Come outside, nigga. Y'all niggas got sixes and girls right now, nigga. Fuck wrong with them niggas, man.
They got my dog hot.
Now them niggas talking about a motherfucking same car that beat all y'all niggas. Same car that beat all y'all shit. Lucky wasn't spinning while he caught up with you. I spun and still caught that shit, my nigga. Still caught it, Sleeve. Still caught it, and I don't even know how to drive. Come on, man. Halfway to the floor. When that bitch started spinning speed, see? Guess what I did? I went all the way to the floor, Sleeve, and that bitch was coming, Sleeve. And he knew that. That's why he wasn't talking about this, man. Niggas tell them niggas stop capping on me.
Hey, man, y'all quit hating because he had me, man. I'm just sitting at home with the AC on, man. I ain't had to do that. Y'all quit hating, nigga. I'm a player, too.
Y'all niggas
weak broke ass shit. You broke ass niggas. I ain't got to have no car.
So funny, dog.
Yeah, you slow broke ass nigga. Get your air conditioning units up.
Them niggas won't come outside at all. None of them niggas won't come outside, nigga. None of them niggas won't come outside. Right now they probably hiding, getting a tune up, then they want to call the nigga out. See, man, where I need to tune my car today, my nigga. Catch my nigga
ass house. Motherfucker quit playing with me.
Hey, Dollar.
Bring that fat motherfucker on down here to Larry's show, man. Go hook up with Sleeves and them, come on down here with it.
We going.
Hey, what Dollar at, man?
We finna go